इस्लामाबाद में तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा मुमताज़ ज़हरा बलोच तकरीब से खिताब कर रही हैं। आइए आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलें।
Foreign Minister chaired the ministerial conference of the G77 in China on 15 to 16 December 2022. The conference was convened by Pakistan in its capacity as the chair of the G77, the largest bloc of developing countries within the UN system. At the ministerial conference, the foreign minister highlighted the need for multilateral mechanism for sustainable management of the sovereign debt of developing countries and for lowering of borrowing costs for them. He called for fulfillment of the agreed official development assistance ODA target of 0.7% of the GNI of developed countries, promoting sustainable infrastructure investments and an equitable international information technology regime. Foreign Minister also emphasized full implementation of the climate change agenda and climate commitments in accordance with the principles of equity and common but differentiated responsibilities and respective capabilities. He added that restructuring the international trading system is critical to revive export-led growth in developing countries. The ministerial conference adopted a concrete outcome document spelling out the group's strategy to address common challenges in achieving the SDGs in face of present challenges and building resilience to respond to future crises. On 16 December 2022, the Foreign Minister met with UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. They discussed the International Conference on Climate Resilient Pakistan and international support for Pakistan's long-term recovery, rehabilitation, and restoration needs based on post-disaster needs assessment. Foreign Minister also met with UN Deputy Secretary General Amina Mohammed and President of the UN General Assembly, Saba Qureshi. The Foreign Minister held bilateral meetings with counterparts from developing countries, including Cuba, the incoming chair of G77 in China for the next year. He briefed his interlocutors about Pakistan's relief and recovery efforts following the recent floods. As we conclude our chairmanship of G77 in China, we can say with satisfaction that throughout 2022, Pakistan played a leading role in highlighting the issues of importance for developing countries, such as sustainable development and climate change. An important achievement this year was the establishment of a loss and damage fund at COP27 in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, where Pakistan led the cause of developing countries and forging a historic consensus. Pakistan's chairmanship of G77 in China concludes this month. However, it will continue its traditionally active and constructive multilateral diplomacy in advancing the common interests of the Global South at the United Nations. Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari had a very productive visit to Washington, D.C. He had a busy visit schedule, which included engagements with the administration and members of the U.S. Congress, speaking engagements at two prestigious think tanks, interaction with Pakistani American community leaders and DC-based think tanks community, as well as interviews with leading media outlets. The main purpose of the visit to Washington was to continue discussions on Pakistan-US cooperation in flood relief, rehabilitation, and reconstruction efforts, and enlist US support for the International Conference on Climate Resilient Pakistan. The visit also provided an opportunity to review the entire scope of bilateral relations and discuss important regional and global developments. On the administration side, the Foreign Minister had a comprehensive conversation with the Secretary of State, Blinken, during which both sides covered a wide range of issues of mutual interest and meetings with other senior administration officials, including USAID Administrator Samantha Power, Deputy Secretary of State Wendy Sherman, and Counselor to the Secretary of State Derek Chollet. During the foreign minister's last visit to Washington, D.C. in September, a bipartisan group of U.S. senators had invited him to visit again in December to discuss further cooperation on flood relief, rehabilitation, and reconstruction. The foreign minister therefore had several important meetings at the U.S. Congress. These included a joint meeting with a bipartisan group of senators, including Republican Senator Lindsey Graham and Democratic Senators Bob Menendez, Jeanne Shaheen, and Tim Kaine. The foreign minister held separate meetings with Senator Chris Van Hollen, Senator Gary Peters, and Senator
इस्लामाबाद में तर्जुमाने दफ्तर खारजा मुमताज़ ज़हरा बलोच तकरीब से खिताब कर रही हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि अफगानिस्तान में बच्चियों की तालीम पर पाकिस्तान का मौक़िफ़ वाज़ेह है। मज़ीद कहा कि अफगान हुकाम से मुतालबा करते हैं कि वो बच्चियों की तालीम के फैसले पर नज़रसानी करें। उन्होंने कहा कि वज़ीर ख़ारजा मौसमियाती तब्दीली से मुतल्लिक दुनिया को आगाह कर रहे हैं।
न्यूज़ स्टूडियो से फिल वक्त इतना ही।
मज़ीद खबरों और अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहिए वॉइस न्यूज़।